Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I want to show you how to put green subscribe button on your videos. So you must have that app there called AZ Recorder. So then you go to YouTube. After putting it on, you go to YouTube. Then search for green screen subscribe button. Then there you are. Select the one that's good for you. So for me, I selected this one. Then after that, you go to your CapCut video editor or any other editor that you have. Then I start my new project. I select any video that I want to upload. Then you search for something written PIP. And then you go and select your screen recording video. Then you put it there. So for me, I was just cropping it until I reach where the green subscribe button is. My video was short, so I had to add another video. So I'm adding another video. Yes. So I continue cropping it until my green subscribe button is. Continue cropping. Crop. 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 And remember, this is just a screen recording video, so that's why I'm cropping a lot of unnecessary things that I screen recorded. So after that, you crop until where the green subscribe button is. Crop back so that you can only remain with that green subscribe button. Crop. Continue cropping. Crop. Yes, there it is. So we have our green subscribe button. So I'm going to search for a crop, then I start cropping until where I want it to be. So I want it to be like that, so I crop it like that. Yes, then on your editor, on the editor app, you have something called chroma. So you touch it, tap it, then you pick the color, yes, like that. And then you increase the strength, increase the shadow a bit. Then you are done. And there you have it. So I realized that I really did add a lot of shadow here. So we will go back and reduce the shadow, but for now let's decrease the size a bit because I don't want it to be so big on my screen, so I decrease the size. Yes, like that. Then I go and decrease the shadow, the strength a bit, yes, like that. And then want to add animation. If you want it, I want it to come on my left side, so I pick side left, then I increase the time lapse. So after increasing like that, and there you go, you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.